Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Draw Faves channel. Today, we will draw some farm animals together. They are iconic in nature, culture, and unified. Let's draw and paint together. Today, we will guide you to draw a farm cow. We are drawing a cow's head. Cow horns are made of keratin, like human fingernails. And this is the cow's eyes. A cow is a big, gentle farm animal. It has 4 legs, a long tail, and soft fur. Cows eat grass and hay, and they say moo. Mother cows are called cows, fathers are bulls, and baby cows are calves. They help people by giving us milk, which can be made into cheese, yogurt, and butter. Cows live in barns or fields, and like to stay with their cow friends in a herd. Now let's color the picture to make it vivid.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing
Wow, the
with
cow is
me?
moving. Now let's draw a chicken together. A chicken is a farm animal that many people keep in their backyards or on farms. What do chickens look like? They have feathers all over their bodies. They have 2 legs, 2 wings, and a little beak. Girl chickens are called hens, and boy chickens are called roosters. Baby chickens are called chicks. What do chickens do? Chickens like to peck the ground to find food. They eat things like seeds, bugs, and grains. Hens lay eggs. Many people eat these eggs for breakfast. What sounds do chickens make? Chickens say cluck cluck. Roosters say cock-a-doodle-doo, especially in the morning. Now let's color the picture to make it vivid. let's draw a cute dog together. A dog is an animal that can live on a farm or in a home as a pet. Many farms have dogs to help the farmer. What do dogs look like? Dogs have 4 legs, a tail, and 2 ears. They can be big or small, fluffy or smooth, and come in many colors. Baby dogs are called puppies. What do dogs do on a farm? Some dogs help farmers by herding animals like sheep or cows. Dogs like to run, play, and explore. They use their nose to smell things and their ears to listen carefully. What do dogs eat? Dogs eat dog food, and sometimes they get treats. What sounds do dogs make? Dogs say woof woof or bark bark. Why are dogs special? Dogs are friendly and loyal. They love to play and be with people. Puppies are soft, cuddly, and lots of fun. Now let's color the picture to make it vivid. Wow, the dog is moving. Next, let's draw a horse together. A horse is a big, strong farm animal that lives in a barn or a stable on a farm. What do horses look like? Horses have 4 long legs, a tail, and a mane, the hair on their neck. They come in many colors like brown, black, white, or spotted. Baby horses are called foals. What do horses do on a farm? Horses can carry people on their backs for riding. They help farmers by pulling wagons or carrying supplies. Horses like to run fast, trot, and gallop. What do horses eat? Horses eat hay, grass, and grain. They also like fresh water. What sound do horses make? Horses say neigh or whinny. Why are horses special? They are gentle, smart, and strong. They can run very fast and love to be around people. Foals are playful and very cute. Now let's color the picture to make it vivid. Next, draw a pig. A pig is a farm animal that lives in barns or outdoor pens on a farm. What do pigs look like? Pigs have round bodies and short legs. They have a little curly tail. Their noses are called snouts, and they use them to sniff and dig. Baby pigs are called piglets. What do pigs do? Pigs love to roll in mud. It keeps them cool and protects their skin. They eat vegetables, fruit, and special pig food. Pigs like to sniff around to explore. What sounds do pigs make? Pigs say, oink, oink. Why are pigs special? They are very smart animals. They have a great sense of smell. Piglets are tiny, playful, and very cute. Now let's color the picture to make it vivid. Next, draw a cute sheep. A sheep is a soft, fluffy farm animal that lives in fields or barns on a farm. What do sheep look like? Sheep have thick, woolly coats that feel soft and warm. They have 4 legs, a tail, and cute ears. Girl sheep are called ewes, boy sheep are rams, and baby sheep are called lambs. What do sheep do on a farm? Sheep like to eat grass all day. Farmers collect their wool, which can be made into warm clothes like socks, hats, and sweaters. Sheep like to stay together in a group called a flock. What sound do sheep make? Sheep say, baa, baa. Why are sheep special? They give us wool. They are gentle and calm animals. Lambs are small, playful, and very cute. Like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.